I'm going to the Turkish border tomorrow, but first go a little bit closer. That's a great fire station, right in the middle of the forest. A bit boring though, but really cool. We really want to show his truck. So to protect the tyres, they have the sprinklers. It's so cool, so they do the same hours what we do in Holland, so 24 hours on, and then they go home.
See you, my friend.
Good morning. It's day 25 and I am still in Greece. Today I'm going into Turkey. I've been in Greece for 2.5 days. Went to Thessaloniki, that was really good. Yesterday I had a day off. That was really cool. I met some nice people. The local priest bought me a breakfast. I met a bikie and the family invited me for lunch and I had a swim. And well, today I'm going into Turkey. It's only 2.5 days in Greece. Yeah, Turkey. Looking forward. It's good. Oh, bike's still there. It's good.